Welcome back to another video of ecosystem. In the previous video, we have discussed the abiotic components of an ecosystem. In this video, we will discuss the impact of biotic components, effects of abiotic components on biotic components, and how light influences the behavior of animals. In an ecosystem, the biotic components interact with the abiotic components. So ecosystem can be defined as the structural and functional unit of biosphere consisting of community of living organisms means biotic and physical environment means abiotic, both interacting and exchanging materials between them. The biotic components include the living organisms like plants, animals and microorganisms. Plants. The green plants, which can carry out photosynthesis, can synthesize food in the form of glucose by utilizing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and water from the soil. In this process, food is synthesized. Also, the plants purify the atmosphere because they intake carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen, and this oxygen is utilized to carry out respiration by all living organisms. These are the various plant products. So besides foods, plants also provide fuel, fibers, medicines and beverages. Animals. As we know, the animals cannot produce food from inorganic substances like the green plants. So animals depend upon the green plants or they depend upon the other animals for their food. And mostly animals move around in search of food. Microorganisms. Micro means small, organisms are living. The minute organisms which can be seen under the microscope, which includes the bacteria, fungi, virus and protists. These microorganisms are cosmopolitan in distribution, means they are found everywhere. In different environments like in living, in dead and decomposed matter, they are found. So bacteria that feed on organic matter of dead and decaying animals and plants by the process of decomposition. The effects of abiotic components on biotic components. We will discuss through various examples. First example is of flowers. The flowers of Portulaca and sunflower, they bloom after sunrise and close down after sunset. In this case, the flowers are biotic, whereas sunrise and sunset are abiotic. Second example is of leaves. In some plants like Bauhinia, known as Kushner, they fold during the night time but open again in the daytime. Here the leaves are biotic, whereas night and daytime are abiotic. In case of animals like earthworm, it avoids light and here light acts as a stimulus and they move away from it. How light affects on the behavior of animals? Based upon that, animals are categorized as diurnal animals and nocturnal animals. Diurnal animals which are more active during the daytime like the butterfly and the honeybee, whereas nocturnal animals are more active during the night. Examples are owl and bat. In the next video, we will discuss the categories of biotic components. Till then, have a good day.